गसाइगाव महकुमानि फरायसाफोरनि थाखाय मोनसे गोजोनथाव खौरां। गसाइगाव खथलगुरि लयला फरायसालियाव बे बोसोराव गोजौसिन गेजेरारि थाखोनि सोलोंथाइ जागायनायखौ फोसावनानै जोबोर गोजोननाय फोरमायदों। बेयो मोनसे माइल खुन्थिया ओनसोलाव फरायसाफोरनि थाखाय सोलोंथायारि खाबुफोरनि मोनसे मख'जाथाव रोंगौथि दिन्थिनो हादों। 2004 मायथाइयाव बेखौ गायसननायनि उननिफ्रायनो लयला फरायसालिया सोलोंथाइ बिथिङाव साबसिन फिथाइ होनानै मुंदांखा जानो हादों। मोनसे जेसुइट फसंथान महरै लयला फरायसालिया मानगोनां सोलोंथायारि फसंथानफोरनि मोनसे मुलुगनां नेटवर्कनि बाहागो। फरायसाफोरनि थाखाय गोदान खाबुफोर जौगाहोजानाय गोजौसिन गेजेरारि फरायसालिया बिगियान आरो आरिमु मोन्नैबो आयदायाव फरायफारि होगोन, जाय फरायसाफोरनो सोलोंथायारि खाबुफोरनि मोनसे गुवार सिमा होगोन। सोलोंथायारि साबसिन थुलुंगा होनो थाखाय फरायसालिया बै फरायसाफोरनो बेसेन नाङै मुं थिसननायनि होदों, जायफोर मेट्रिक आनजादाव 70% आरो बेनि बांसिन नम्बर मोननो हादों।
I'm Father Gulshan Kudur, principal of Loyola School Kathalguri, and this school is run by the Jesuit fathers of Ranchi province, and from Ranchi it is expanded to Assam mission, and that's why Loyola School Kathalguri is established here. This school is established in the year 2004 and getting the need of the local people in the, education, and local people are really benefiting as the facilities provided here. And I am very happy to announce that Loyola School Kathalguri has got the permission from BTR Assam to start +2 classes, 11th and 12th, arts and science streams. So from this academic year 2025, we are going to start science and arts stream in Loyola School Kathalguri. We have very good facilities in Loyola School Kathalguri. We have science lab, library, computer lab, playground, and for the students, those who are coming from the far places, we have the hostel facilities for both boys as well as girls. Therefore, I would like to invite all the students, those who are passing out from class 10, to come to our institution, join our institution, and we believe in quality education, and whoever joins our institution, we'll try our best to give the quality education. Our teachers are also qualified. In the science department, we have MSc B.Ed, and in the arts department, we have MA B.Ed. Plus, for the students, we have bus facilities. 3 buses are running for the students, and students take benefit of the bus facilities here.
Greetings from Loyola School Kathalguri, which is situated under Gosaigaon Subdivisional, and it is under Kokrajhar district. We have a great news for you that we are starting the +2, that is class 11 for session 2025 and 26. Here we have got many facilities for the upcoming students. First of all, let me announce with a good news that students, those who will be scoring more than 75%, they will be getting a free admission. And secondly, why you should choose this school is that we have got a huge facilities here. For example, we have got a huge playground here for sports. We have got a library facilities. We have got a nice equipment classroom with modern facilities. So in order to grab all these opportunities, we are welcoming you away. We have also given them opportunity for hostel facilities. They can also take admission there and they can gain good knowledge.
What are the streams?
Streams we are offering here is science and arts. Both we are offering with a qualified teacher. The staffs here we have, that is more than 30 plus, including the teaching and non-teaching staffs.
What?
I would like to suggest the students, those who are giving the examination, HSLC examination, that do come here. We welcome you with good facilities, and we are trying to give you a good education with a minimum fee level. The students, it's a good environment friendly. Like we seek for the students' ability in what field they are good at what field they can do better at. So in that way, we try to make one environment friendly education, which will help the students very much to succeed in the future.
गसाइगावनिफ्राय दानसोरां बसुमतारिनि रिपर्ट NBT लाइभ।